You searched how to buy shares of CubeSmart, which operates self-storage facilities and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CU. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search and type the ticker CUBE to find CubeSmart. Select the listing that matches the NASDAQ CUBE ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm you're on CubeSmart's listing. Verify the NASDAQ exchange and that the ticker shows QB before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same example.